I have to be a good relative. I have to honor my ancestors, and everything I do is in those contexts, the 7 generations thinking. Am I honoring my grandparents behind me? And am I planning to leave something for those yet to come whom I'll never meet? Those are my responsibilities beyond, my job, whatever. The cultural component is the future and the past connected. And, I'm just in that centerpiece for now and passing the baton forward. So our communities have to work together. Our histories need to be told truthfully. Once we can start teaching the teachers that teach in our K through 12 systems to teach the reality of colonization, and that settlers were not this glory, little house on the prairie thing, but they were rapists and murderers and thieves, and the reality has to be told, or else we're going to continue to perpetuate white supremacy and the system of assimilation, just like religion and formal Western education. We have to push past that and teach our children. We have to mentor our own Native peoples, number one. We got to quit putting them in the hands of the colonizers and expecting them to be useful. We have to find that.